And here we have it, my Omnishaver. I've been using it for a couple of months now, or maybe like 2 months. But it's gotten pretty hard to shave. I think the blades are dull, even though they say it's sharpen, they self-sharpen. I mean, 2 months shaving my hair with one product has been amazing. Yeah, I've got somewhat of an arsenal of tools I use. I got the Pitbull Gold. This is the 3-head right here. I also have a 5-head. I broke it. I'm gonna get another one, replacement. Pretty good, real quick. If you guys want me to do a review on this one, 500 likes or better. And then I have what I first started shaving my hair with. Classic baby butt soft electric shaver. Is kind of dirty. Dirty inside too. I haven't cleaned it. The Andes Pro Foil Gold. Amazing. Awesome job. One charge. Shaved my whole head. I have a full head of hair. I am not balding. I shaved for my lady going through chemotherapy. Anyway, back to this guy. Here I have replacement cartridges. So I started to cut it. Let me teach you guys. There's no need. That pops open. Aside from the blades, comes with a couple of things. I might just do this. Become a subscriber. Get blades automatically once in 3 months. Save 15%. Pretty good. I'm all about saving. Thank you for an awesome product on me, Mr. John Harris. They also have a touch-up premium. Use these same cartridges, whatever. Cool. Maybe I'll look at that. I don't have facial hair, but besides my mustache and my little chin hair, so thank God for that. Back to this. I've seen a video on how to do this, but has this little tool. Slide it behind these grooves. Push it down. Pop out the blades. You're supposed to do it in your palm because it's soft. I'm scared to cut myself, so I'm gonna place the tissue on my palm. Boom. Do not put pressure on aluminum bands with your thumbs. That's not how you do it. This is how you do it. Gonna do that right now. Boom. Slide it in. Bam. That one came out. I'm gonna first take it out first. Finish pushing it out. Oh, it just fell out. Next. Bam. That one came out all the way. Got no blades now. I'm just gonna take two of the new ones. Alright. Orange dot. Probably can't see it. Goes towards the middle. So this one will go here. And just press it in like so. Okay. So I got lucky because I've got the old ones on the table and I've also got the new ones. But the new ones have the orange dot. Bam, bam. And just sit in. And it says, you know, you gotta press them in. Flat surface. Press down evenly. And they're in there. That's how you replace the Omnishaver blades. If you guys want to see me shave my head, leave comment, likes. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Omnishaver.